Yung na-analyzing data so nagbase namin sa aming katanungan.
Number 33. N will be P years old in Q years. Her age are years ago was. Okay, we have our choices. 5 choices below. Okay, P plus Q minus R, P minus Q plus R, P plus Q plus R, P minus Q minus R, or Q minus P minus R. Okay, N will be P years old in Q years. Okay, let A be the age of N at present. Then, plus Q years, N will be P years old. So, A plus Q equals P. So, the present age of N is P minus Q. Q. The age of N R years ago is, let O be the age of N R years ago. So, O is equal to present age of N minus R years ago. Right? Then, substitute A in your first equation. So, A is equal to P minus Q and then minus R. So, the age of N R years ago is represented by P minus Q minus R, and it's letter D. So, letter D is the correct answer. Okay. Number 34. If a jeepney ride costs 8 pesos and 50 centavos for the first 4 kilometers and 1 peso and 50 centavos for each additional kilometers or fraction thereof, then how much would the passenger pay for a 12 km ride? A. 10 pesos. B. 18 pesos. C. 18 pesos and 50 centavos. D. 20 pesos and 50 centavos. E. 26 pesos and 50 centavos. So from our problem, we have the base cost for the first 4 kilometers is 8 pesos and 50 centavos. Then an additional of 1 peso and 50 centavos for each kilometer. So for 12 kilometer ride, so 12 minus the 4 kilometers as the base distance at a base cost of 850. So our distance here will be 12 minus, our additional distance will be 12 minus 4 equals 8. So this is 8. So this is how you solve for the cost of the 12 kilometer ride. So 850 plus 150 times 8. So this is equal to 850 plus 8 times 1.5 is 12. Since 1 times 8 is 8, and then half of 8, which is 0.5, is 4. So, this is 12 pesos. So, 12 pesos. So, your answer is 850 plus 12 equals 2050. 20 pesos and 50 centavos. So, your answer is letter D. 5x squared minus 4x plus 3 minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. So, subtraction of polynomials. In subtraction, we are going to change the sign of our subtrahend, this portion here. So, 5x squared, 5x squared. So, subtract 5x squared by minus 3x squared here, the subtrahend. So 3x squared. Then minus 4x, this one, 4x, minus, so minus and plus is minus, so still minus 4x. Then plus 3 minus this one, minus 3. So minus and minus, it's positive. So plus 3 equals. So just combine 5x squared minus 3x squared is 2x squared. So 2x squared. And then minus 4x, 8x. And then plus 3 plus 6. So this is our answer. 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. So letter D, 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. 8. Letter D is the correct answer. 36. If 6x minus 15 is less than 4 plus 5, then A, x is greater than 6, B, x is less than 6, C, x is less than 4, D, x is less than negative 4, E, x is greater than negative 2. So, let's rewrite this equation. 6x minus 15 is less than 4 plus 5. Then, you combine all the constants. So, 6x transpose 15 to the opposite side. So, the negative sign of that will become positive. So, 6x is less than 4 plus 5 plus 15. 15 becomes positive. Then 6x is less than 4 plus 5 plus 15 is 24. Then divide both sides by 6. So 6x divided by 6 is x. X is less than 24 divided by 6 is 4. So the answer is x is less than 4. It's letter C. 37. How far can Jaya go on her scooter from 3:35 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. at 30 kilometers per hour? Okay, in the problem, what is required is the distance of how Jaya can go on her scooter from 3:35 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. So our time is given at 30 km per hour and also the speed is given. So time here is 3:35 to 4:15, that's 40 minutes. And also the speed is 30 km per hour. Let's convert our unit to minute so we can cancel them out later for consistency. So 60 minutes, 1 hour is 60 minutes, so this is 60 minutes. Then what is asked is the distance, and distance is S, the speed times time. So substitute 30 over 60. By the way, 30 over 60 is just 1/2 or 0.5. So we can just write 0.5 em per minute. Then times 40 minutes the time. So we can cancel out our minute unit. And what's left is the kilometer. So 0.5 kilometer times 40. So that's 1/2 of 40. That's 20 kilometers. So the correct answer is letter A.